up for the down the journey long. Your body right, oh you're right, you love it, me love it. You want my wife with it, set it up now. Come girl, take your time with the body darling. Not on a 6:30 because you're back in order. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with this. Sit down with this, sit down with this, sit down with this. Now your body gonna be one.
We the best! Spanglers, Bodger! Bloom, 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 bloom! One Spanglers!
Yo, Bodger,
no pussy test!
you're just cool around.
As a selector, I was one of the man in Miami. The first dub plate, and me do it here. Alright, Khaled. And the behalf of Pinky famous, O'Neill famous, Peter Metro famous, and Major Macron famous, and the whole dancehall fraternity, Snaggapus famous, we glad and we acknowledge and really appreciate you turning up and playing for us tonight. Zane, we have a trophy to give the winner of the Sound Clash tonight. Alright, but right now it looks like you are the winner. So on the behalf of the original dancehall, and first we have to thank Miss Burke for bringing you here. Thank you, Miss Burke. You make clap, Miss Burke.
4 cities in 2 days, and now we in beautiful Jamaica. We just left a nice, beautiful dance / sound clash vibes, and it's called a vibe. Now it's time to eat some oxtail, rice and peas. What time is it right now? Kiko, what time is it? 4:45. We have not slept a second. 4 cities in 2 days, no sleep. God is great.
We are playing tune now. DIGICEL and such a fun styles. We're the best now, come again. Yeah.
Look at God. Look how beautiful this is. Man, the mountains, the sand, water, look at the water. Look how beautiful the water. So beautiful. See, I'm about to go over here. I'm about to go around this corner and go pray. There's a special pot. There's a special spot in Jamaica I love to go to. Jump in the water and go pray before I get my day started. Look how beautiful. Beautiful. So when I come to Jamaica, first thing I do, I go pray. There's a special spot around this corner. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go pray. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah, that's coming. That water, that river, coming to the ocean through the property. My beautiful boys and my beautiful wife, they on their way. Let me go pray. Let's do it. Come on. Get them shoes up. Get them shoes. Some chrome heart shorts too. I got that star heart coming real soon. Stay tuned. What's up, buddy?